the wicket is actually the wicket got easier to bat later on. But having said that, another 20, 30 runs, we need to really pack them up. But yes, we could have reduced 70, 60 runs if we had been given out. But it does happen, part of the game.
6 out of 6, were you thinking of Kumble?
See, I don't intend at retiring for this, but I honestly think I didn't have a bad series against England. So if that was your opinion, and you're supposed to have your opinion, so I don't barge in on it. But yes, things do happen. I bowled exactly the same way as I did against England, but today the wickets were coming. So I mean, it does happen. Everybody sitting a distance away tend to say that the wickets column shows something. They say you bowled beautifully, and another day they end up saying you didn't bowl that well, even if you did. So I think I've got into a mindset where I actually have to put that behind my mind and start going about what I do the best. I don't prepare for anything in particular, to be very honest. I don't prepare for Australia or England or whatever it is. I do have my plans in place for different batsmen as I get into the game. I think that's a part of professionalism to show as a cricketer, because you're entitled to do that. Apart from that fact, I think I need to be really strong on what I do. I believe in certain strengths that I have. I turn up and keep practicing it. It turns out, otherwise it doesn't. As simple as that.
Ashwin Dev was panning out over the next 2 days.
See, the pitch looked very dirty, to be very honest. After the first 5 to 10 overs, it looked dirty. We thought it's going to spin like a top. Personally, I mean, you come out and you think this is going to spin the hell out of it, but it actually didn't spin at all, to be very, very honest. There are a few balls when you tossed it up, it just jumped a little bit. It's been slow, and I think it's the same square. I think the next wicket where Tamil Nadu and Karnataka played up a 1,000-run game, and Karnataka won the game. So it is one of those wickets. I think it's going to get slow, and hopefully Mitchell Starc can create some rough in the second innings.
Ashwin.
I think it's to do with see. I seriously don't know, because if I say something, I don't know what's going to be played up. So I'll have to be really sitting on the fence and.
I will only write what you say.
All right. See, I personally, if you ask me, I'd like to sit on the fence and answer that question. But to be very honest, I think Jadeja bowled really well, and he was hitting the mark, and we were conceding a few runs here and there on both sides of the wicket, which does happen at Chepauk. Because see, I think especially when I come out on this ground, I feel like that the air talks to me, and every person sitting in the stands talk to me, and I feel really comfortable. I know this ground like the back of my palm. So there are certain things that it's gone wrong with me, and I've learned over the time, because you tend to leak runs on both sides square because of the bounce. It's not a kind of wicket where in India you actually get away with something because the wicket doesn't bounce that much and all that. So you do tend to get hurt. So that way I think I was a little cautious, and I knew what had to be done, and I think the plans came out well, the ball came out well, everything happened.
So you just said you took the momentum.
I think I varied my paces at different points of the day, and see, because it's got to this, I have to say this. Today's spell is especially dedicated to my coach Sunil Subramaniam, for the very fact that he just identified a small thing, and we worked on it for about 5-6 sessions before, in between Corporate Trophy and this particular Test series, and the credit completely has to go to him, because it's very easy to spot a particular mistake, but that mistake's root cause can be elsewhere. But to exactly nail that and get you out from there is what he did, and all credit goes to him. It's about body position, nothing else.
Ashwin, congrats. Does it still mean a lot here? How much do you assess it?
See, I've played plenty of IPL games here. I played 3-4 ODI games here, and international T20s as well, but it comes nowhere close to what a test match is. And for the last 2 days, I just couldn't really connect with what was happening. I was in complete awe, and just smiling all through the last couple of days, seeing the ground just looked picturesque, I've never seen Chepauk greener than this. I've never seen Chepauk more beautiful than this. I just had a wonderful day today.
Did your father or any of your coaches keep the ball? He surprised them.
No, it was quite clear for me that he hit the ball. That's why I went up we all went up in unison, but at the end of the day, it does happen. And Kumar Dharmasena himself is an off spinner, so it does happen. Maybe he thought he'd given a few dismissals too many on the lighter side. Sorry?
DRS was in for that?
What if we had actually gone for DRS and didn't have one left? So I think the entire DRS system, in terms of how many DRS reviews you have, doesn't suit it.
Thank you, Arvind.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.